this question too. Can I have significant other sleepovers while my case is pending? That depends. How does your husband feel about that, or your wife? If you're going through a divorce in Texas, you shouldn't have sleepovers with significant others. You're still married, and if you're going through a custody case, you probably want to hold off on having sleepovers, even if you're not married, just because you want to make sure that you have a relationship, that this significant other has been, around a while, that you are serious. You don't want to have different people coming in and out of your child's life. You may want to have a background check done on this person, make sure they don't have drugs or domestic violence or criminal a long criminal history that can be used by the other side against you in a custody case. Or maybe you've had a few significant others come through your doors in the past couple of years, and now your ex-spouse is bringing you to court because this is a pattern that's put your child in some type of harm's way. So all of those things should be considered in determining the best interest of the child and being protective with bringing around that other person. If just a common courtesy, you might want to hold out on bringing a person around your child until you know it's serious, and after you've done a background check and that there's a hopeful future relationship, that it's pending, then maybe you start bringing your child. You also don't want to have people around your life or people around your child that could potentially harm your child, and you don't want anyone to take advantage of that information. And be smart. This is your child. You do not want to put your child in harm's way if it's not necessary, and maybe just keeping that person out of the situation until you've vetted this person and it's serious and you've done all you can to protect your child. Then maybe move forward with that and start that process. And if you need to, maybe you go to a counselor or a therapist or someone to help introduce the child to this new person, or in some relationships and co-parenting situations, you may want to introduce this person to the parent of the other child, the other child's parent, just so they also will be involved, especially if you're going to get married or this is now a step parent. Definitely have a conversation, have that meeting with the other parent, just so that everybody knows who they are and we can talk to everybody and they can address their concerns, if any, but at least that going in.